Yes, sweetheart? Oh, let's be very gentle. Be very gentle. Can you give him a kiss? Oh, what a sweet brother. Oh, cover your mouth when you cough, honey.
Chicago.
Chicago, yeah.
Chicago. Chicago is what?
Can you see yourself there, buddy?
Chicago.
Can you see yourself there?
No.
Oh. Oh.
Chicago.
Yeah. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that, buddy? Hi, Buggy. What happened to your diaper, Thomas? All right. I think we've been terrorized.